What do you do when you have an utterly unique piece that needs significant restoration work? One of our valued customers had just such a dilemma. They owned a very large, unique 19th century cabinet, entirely handmade, with intricate carvings and a very unusual antique bronze finish over the plaster and wood. From the bleached walnut interior to the hand-carved ornamentation and joint work, this piece showed exquisite attention to detail and custom cabinet work rarely seen in the world of antique furniture. The central door in particular is of interest, with ancient mythological themes of Apollo, Dionysus, and the Grecian theatre and the arts. Such was the intricacy of the woodwork that our customer was very concerned to find a restoration shop which would treat this piece with the care, skill, and delicacy it deserved. After summarily dismissing some local contractors, our customer brought the item to us, despite the fact we were not a local company. He was impressed that we understood the unusual construction methods for this piece, and that we insisted on working with him to determine the best restoration strategy and provided options for the overall appearance. Our customer chose to restore all framework and to restore the finish to an original appearance using original specification materials. Our craftspeople had quite the challenge. Over a century of wear and weathering had deteriorated virtually every component of this piece. The framework was shifting, many joints were loose, and most veneers and fascias were compromised. Extensive photographs and documentation were taken. The cabinet was disassembled and each component was restored individually. Cracks and voids were repaired. Damaged sections of carvings were recreated to exacting specifications for a seamless appearance. Compromised paneled cores were repaired and new veneers installed using original specification materials. All joint work was repaired by hand to restore their original precision fit. The original finish was carefully removed and all surfaces were meticulously prepared with a light sanding and sealing. The multi-step finish process involved gold-colored metallic pigment, which was custom blended, applied, and sealed. An oil-based antique bronze tint was applied and subsequently gently removed by hand in specific areas to duplicate the weathered, worn bronze appearance. Finally, after the exact appearance had been achieved, the entire piece was sealed with lacquer for a long-lasting, durable finish. The result is a beautiful, utterly unique piece, carefully restored with the best of craftsmanship to be a showpiece for our customer's new home. The restored framework and veneers make for a solid foundation for the new finish, which will remain beautiful for many decades to come.